Hello and welcome to a new tutorial in the second part in the flash disk drive tutorial. Let's go and start a new file. Okay, part, okay, and choose the front plan, sketch a line from here and add dimension. We have 48 here, we have 9 here, and add the relation this one and this one make equal. Now I will add a sketch fillet with 4 millimeter to each. Validate, and now go to sheet metal. If you have not sheet metal here, click right and choose sheet metal here. Now go to base flange type and put 0.5 here and 16 here. Click OK and choose this surface and go to sketch arc, sketch an arc here and add the relation with these 3 points, make vertical and select this one and this one, make tangent. Now close the sketch without dimension and go to feature, straight cut, R2, OK. And now we have to add the tools here and the tools here. To do that, go to design library, open design library, go to forming tools, go to emboss, circular emboss, or it's not a circular emboss but a countersink emboss. OK, and click and drag to this surface, click finish and go to sketch to position it, go to normal, add the smart dimension from here to here. We have 8, and from here to this point we have 8. OK, and validate from here. And now if you're clicking here, we have all the dimensions of the tools. You can modify it. OK, let's put here 8.5 and here 2, and here I have to put 5, and the radius is 2. I think it's all what you have to add. The same thing, click and drag in this surface, click to edit, sketch, normal, add smart dimension from here to here. We have 8, and from here to this point we have 8. The same thing, clicking here, 12 is 8.5, the 5 is 2, and 20 down to 5, and the radius down to 2. Okay, now go to your folder, part 3, steel part 2. Okay, and let's create a new assembly and click here to keep visible. Choose the body, the first, insert component. I don't know what's the problem. I will close this. Okay, and insert the circuit and the steel part, and let's add some mate here. Click in this surface, mate, and this surface. The second mate is clicking in this surface and this surface. Okay, and the last is clicking in this edges and this surface. Clicking OK, and go to this one. Click in this surface and this surface. Click OK, and click in this surface and this line. Click OK. Now let's see if we have an interference to evaluate. Interference detection, calculate. We have just a little interference here, because if we measure this from this to this, we have 0.5, and from here to here we have 0.5, and the problem it's just a little force in this plastic. Let's go ahead and add the forming tools here. We will create an own forming tools. To do that, because the form of the original part, if you can see here, as you can see here, we have forming tools. Okay, it's not here. Let's create one. To do that, go to your part and go to new file, new part. Okay, and choose the front plan, for example, sketch, and sketch line here, one line, not 3, and add the new line here, and add the dimension 8 here, and 2.5 here. Select this one with the keyboard, press Ctrl, click in this point, make midpoint, switch this one to construction, and with arc, click here and here the same thing. In the side, add the dimension 6 here, click here with the keyboard, press Ctrl, add make equals, and with sketch fillet add the fillet with 2 here, click OK, and we have finished our part. Let's go to sheet metal, forming tools. No, it's not forming tools. Go to feature, extrude boss, put 2 millimeters here, and go to sheet metal forming tools. Select this face to remove. We have to remove this and remove this in our part. Now select this, the force coming by this face. Click OK, and we have our tool. If you save it, don't save it in part. You can save it in part to modify it. Let's go and let's go save it first in form tools. Choose the form tools here, and Solidworks, follow to library, design library, go to forming tool, double clicking in forming tool. You can add your new folder. Go to click tools of me, for example, click OK again, put here tool for flash disk, okay, click OK, and now return to your part. Go to design library, go to forming tool, tools of me, click in this folder, and you have your tool here. Click and drag. No, it's not click. You have to return this. Click and drag. Click, close this, and you have your tool is forming here. And you can just add the position and this 0.5, and from here 8, because we have 16 here. Click OK, and I will add some fillet to nice view 0.1. okay, same thing here. Same thing here. Okay, click OK, and I will add material. Go to aluminum alloy, choose one from here. Okay, and you can use this if you want appearance. Go to metal, aluminum, go to body, and we have aluminum. And the last is to add a text here. Go to sketch and go to text, write to good RAM here, and go to font, choose. I have downloaded this character font from the web. You can find what you want. Put 8 here, and you can put this one here. The second text, the same thing, twister. I don't know what's the meaning of it. Twister 16 gig. Let's go to use the command font, choose here 6 and go to choose the font. I have a good font here. You can use what you want, or you can download it, and you can download the font you want and put it in the folder font in Windows font in the C drive. I think it's not here. Yes, I think this one. Let's see if we use this. Okay, let's use this one. And go to feature, extrude. We have a problem, I think, here. Yes, because this font it's not too good. Double clicking on it, I will choose another. Let's choose this one. What's the same to what I have earlier? Twister. Let's see what we can get with this. Extrude. The same thing. Double clicking, font, okay, I think it's this one. It's good. Go to feature, extrude. Okay, this one is have put 0.1. okay, and we have our part finished. Save it. We can close it. You can save this part to edit it in the next time. Okay, I close this. I will close this, and we have our USB flash drive finished. And it's just if you want to add here some editing is 1 millimeter. Okay, select 2 of this, switch 2. Okay, click OK. Go to feature, extrude with 0.2 and don't merge it. Okay, validate from here, close it, and you can add what you want to this. Go to appearance, steel, polished steel, the same thing, and this part. Okay, validate from here, and we have our flash drive finished. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, and see you next tutorial.